Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this gorgeous Ford Fiesta 1.0T turbo EcoBoost ST-Line. Now this vehicle has currently done 52,488 miles and it's finished in the colour magnetic. It's a gorgeous looking hatchback with beautiful sporty styling, and it comes with some excellent features as well. It sits nicely on the optional extra 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. In the boot you will find 292 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,093 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your two-tone cloth interior with the two-tone stitching and the contrasting pattern cloth in the centre of the seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats so you can easily fit a child seat in. Up front you'll find your chunky leather-wrapped multifunction flat-bottom steering wheel. Moving to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of the steering wheel you've got your speed limiter and volume controls. To the right you have some additional infotainment buttons along with controls for the display that you have here in the instrument cluster. On this display you've got access to information such as your digital speedometer. There's also your driver assist features, including your lane keeping system, which keeps you in your lane and prevents you from drifting out. A very nice touch when on the motorway. There's also your navigation, audio, telephone, some vehicle settings, as well as your standard trip computer. In the centre of the dashboard you'll find your sync-free touchscreen infotainment system. On the system you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. There is also USB connectivity, Bluetooth and even the optional extra CD player. Here in the phone menu you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. On the system you also have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. In the mobile apps menu you have access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to easily pair your smartphone up with the system and use compatible applications. Here in the settings you've got all different system settings available to you. This Fiesta also comes with the City Pack, which includes power folding door mirrors and the rear parking sensors. Below the display you'll find your air conditioning, which features a heated front windscreen for those easy defrosts. You've got a compartment there. There's also a 12-volt socket, USB connectivity, your 6-speed manual gear selector. Behind this you'll find your eco button, your traction control, as well as your option to turn on and off the start-stop system. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.